Can dirty system air filters cause a safety switch to trip and shut down equipment? Clogged filters restrict airflow and cause motors, compressors, and heat exchangers to run hotter than designed, which can trigger temperature or pressure safety switches to open. Start by turning off power and inspecting the filter box, and return plenum for dust, pet hair, and insulation fragments. Then slide the filter out and hold it to a light source to check for opacity as a quick field test. Replace filters with the correct size and minimum efficiency as specified on the equipment data plate, and avoid using an oversized or overly dense filter that will itself reduce airflow. Where particulate load is high, consider a two-stage approach with a washable pre-filter and a disposable secondary. Measure static pressure across the filter slot with a manometer if you have one to compare to manufacturer limits, and verify after replacement that supply and return vents are delivering balanced airflow by hand or with a simple flow hood reading. Set a recurring maintenance reminder based on actual dust loading rather than a calendar default. For example, every month in dusty or pet homes and every 3 months in clean environments, and keep spare filters on hand to avoid delayed replacements. Finally, if safety switches continue to trip after filter and airflow checks, inspect motors and bearings for excessive current draw and verify ductwork is not collapsed or blocked. Then consult a trained technician for electrical diagnosis. The 3 most common issues are failing to replace filters often enough, using the wrong filter type, and ignoring secondary airflow restrictions. When filters are left dirty, the short fix is to replace them immediately, and then set a stricter replacement schedule based on observed loading. If the wrong filter is installed, switch to the size and minimum efficiency indicated by the equipment manufacturer, or use a staged filtration method to preserve airflow. When ducts, grills, or dampers are restricted, remove visible obstructions. Check that dampers are set fully open, and trace the duct run for kinks or crushed sections that need repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to discuss projects, share experiences, and ask practical maintenance questions related to filters and safety switches. We help contractors find leads and homeowners find options, while our discussion community supports troubleshooting, recommendations, and scheduling tips.